This oil is going to clear your knuckles, whiten you, clear your dark armpit, clear your dark thighs, clear your black spots, clear your dark spots, clear your, even it can clear your soul. Are you looking for a good body oil to pair with your lotion to give you this instant, nice, radiant glow? Then stay tuned, okay? Hi guys, my name is Life with Afua and I'm a beauty and lifestyle video content creator. And today on my menu, I'm going to serve you with 5 body oils that is going to glow your skin, brighten your skin, and give you this glass looking skin, okay? So if this is something you are interested in, then stay tuned and let's get to business. Today I have 5 babies for you, 5 goodies that is going to brighten your skin, lighten your skin, give you instant radiant skin. The first on the menu is Vit Gold Vitamin C Body Oil. Look at how big this body oil is. It's a body corrector oil. It's going to correct your skin from all the skin wahalas. If you had a baby, pregnancy, stretch marks, green vein, this body oil is going to brighten it, tone your stretch marks, lighten it in a nice way. This is not a bleaching oil. Even though they have written 7 days whitening, please don't believe it. It's going to tone you completely slowly. Going to tone you slowly. You're going to love your skin. It's one of my favorite body oils, and the fact that it's so big, like this one can last you like for 3 years. Seriously, I'm not joking. It's 1,000 ml body oil, and then it promises to brighten you, moisturize your skin from wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin, aging, sunburns. Contains vitamin C as the key ingredient, and I love vitamin C product. It's going to brighten you and you are going to love your skin. Make sure you buy the original. There are so many kinds of the Vit Gold body oil. It comes in the turmeric, the alpha arbutin and stuff, but my favorite is the body oil with the vitamin C. Sometimes too, I use their turmeric. Okay, so if this is something you are interested in, just go for it. It helps to treat fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin tone, aging, sunburns. That's what the key thing that this body oil promises to do. So if you have all these problems, make sure you get it. Now the second body oil we are going for is the Aino body oil. It's one of my favorite because you just spray it. You don't have to be opening it. Unlike the Vit Gold, if you're not careful, you are going to mess everything. Look, you see how it is? So I just put some small dot here so that I can get it. If not, you're going to create a mess all the time. But the Aino comes in a spray form, so all you have to do is just spray a tiny bit on your palm and then use it. It's very good. I like the packaging. It comes in a 200 ml. The Aino body oil contains oat oil. Do you know we can get oil from oats? It contains oat oil and jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is good for eczema, ringworm. So if you have a baby who is dealing with ringworm, eczema, dry skin, you can use this body oil. Don't use the Vit Gold for babies. You can use Aino for babies. Everybody can use it. Normally after my shower, I just spray a tiny bit like this and then moisturize my skin with it. Okay, the third on the menu is palm coconut hydrating body oil. I love this oil. This is my second bottle. My old one is finished. This one just came today. It arrived today. I really love it. It smells like coconut, so sweet, and it's going to replenish your skin and then hydrate your skin, give you this health. It's going to tackle your skin. Now if your skin is damaged, rotten, is going to replenish the skin, give you this instant glow, radiant glow. You know, summer, you show some little skin, then you apply body oil and then like your skin starts glowing, you need a good body oil like this. If you have stretch marks, especially after childbirth, your tummy is a little bit wrinkled, please just apply a tiny bit of this Palmer's oil on your tummy, okay, on the stretch marks, the tummy. Yeah, you're going to love your skin. And then you spray your body splash or your spray, and it's going to last so long. This is one of good oils you have to use. It's not bleaching, it's going to glow you. The next on my menu is the SoftSeven body oil. This SoftSeven body oil, if you want to achieve 1 to 2 shades 1 to 2 shades lighter, if you want to brighten your skin, like lighten your skin, you move from black to caramel, then this oil is for you. This oil is going to clear your knuckles, whiten you, clear your dark armpit, clear your dark thighs, clear your black spots, clear your dark spots, clear your, even it can clear your soul, like it clears everything. It's a very good oil. Even though it also says 7 days extra strong whitening, it doesn't work like that. It's a very slow body oil. Let me show you how I used to look and then how I was so black. And by the grace of God, these oils, they have been able to tone me to what I am now. I'm not too light and I'm not too dark. I'm in between and no knuckles. So I'm really loving my skin. So if you want your skin to look like mine, you want your black skin to glow, you want your chocolate skin to glow, you want your caramel skin to also glow, your light skin to glow, just get any of these body oils I'm talking about. SoftSeven is very good. Don't use it in the morning, just use it at night. Okay, the next on my menu is also the Fair and White So White body oil. If you go through my videos, you will know that I have made a ton of this oil. Like this is the first body oil I started using. It brought me from darkness to light. Like it's going to give you this caramel. Look at my skin, like it won't bleach you. You can even use this body oil with Evershin cocoa butter and it will still glow you. You don't need to buy any expensive body lotion to use it with. You don't need nothing like that. It's going to lighten you slowly. You will love your skin. Please don't follow this skincare content creators, just buy Evershin. When I started using this oil, I was using it with Evershin cocoa butter and it was glowing my skin. Now we are able to afford cream, so I use my Olay or Medix. But if you can't afford Olay or Medix, please use it with Evershin cocoa butter. Any cocoa butter you find, you can just pair this oil with it and you're going to love your skin. Let me show you how you are going to use all these oils. After your shower, don't dry your skin completely. When you are about 30% dried, please then use your body oil. Don't use it on dry skin. When your skin is damp, that's what I'm trying to say. When your skin is damp, then you use this body oil so that it sinks in the moisture and it can do its job. It's going to repair you, give you this glowing skin. You will love your skin. Like you will come and thank me later. You come and thank me, come and give testimonies. Any of this body oil is good. Like any of them, you're going to love your skin. So just get it, but make sure you are getting the original, because if you go and buy a fake one, my sister or my brother, you're going to cry premium tears, and we don't want you to come to my channel and say the oil did not work. Don't go and use these oils on your face unless you don't have any sensitive skin. If you are those people who can use body lotions on your face without breaking out, then maybe you can use the body oils, because for example, this Vit oil and SoftSeven says you can use it on the face. So if you don't have sensitive skin, then you can go ahead, but I don't suggest that. apply them on damp skin, and then make sure you are also scrubbing your skin, because the oils are able to stain your skin, and if you are not scrubbing your skin regularly, then it's not going to work. When you apply oils and you take your shower, you see that your skin is so you see the residue of lotions and oils. So make sure you are scrubbing your skin like at least 2 times in a week, or once a week, so that your oils can work. If you have watched me till now, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And then if you haven't subscribed, make sure you tap on the subscribe button, so that anytime I come here, you also join me and let's be family. I'm bringing new content every day, so make sure you stay. So see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.